Hello friends, welcome to KG Cyclers, and today you will be amazed to see us here, but yeah, we are here. So actually our gaming videos were not gaining much views and we cannot go outside to shoot our regular vlogs. So we decided to show you our tried and trusted salad recipe. So it's a chicken salad recipe, and instead of chicken you can also use paneer or potato in the same process. So it will be a fun recipe. Let's move on to the recipe.
ऐसी इंग्लिश आवे that I can leave अंग्रेज behind. You see, sir, I can talk English, I can walk English, I can laugh English because English is a very funny language.
So here we have two chicken boneless. So as I mentioned before that, you can also take paneer and potato also to make it veg, but today we are taking chicken. So before marinating the chicken, there are two steps which are very important. So in the first step, we have to first dry the chicken. So we are using a napkin, a kitchen. After doing this tissue shape, also prick the chicken with a fork. This is because. So now we are preparing for the marinade. So first we will squeeze a lemon in it. So first we will squeeze some lemon juice. So as we have now squeezed lemon, now then we will add a little bit of rock salt. So here we will add this much amount of rock salt. So when the rock salt is added, now we will add the black pepper powder we have. So we will just crunch it, the black pepper powder. So this makes the dish very tasty, the black pepper powder. Now once we sprinkle black pepper powder, we will take some jeera powder. So we have with us some jeera powder. So you will take this much amount of jeera powder and just spread it among the chicken. We will take one more spoon and just spread it. So this is a tried and tested recipe, so you can try it in your home. Now here we will take some paprika powder. You can also use your normal masala you have in your home. So you will take this much amount of red chili powder. Now we have some oregano with us, like you see. So here in this we will sprinkle some oregano, like this much. Then we will add some chili flakes, which we add with us. So we also added chili flakes in the marinade, and now we have just to mix the marinade, and the pricking step will help the marinade to go deep inside. And now it store it for around 14 hours so that the marinade gets wet. 14 hours later. So last night we prepared the chicken and the marinade and we kept it in the fridge. So now we will cut some vegetables. So now I will show you which vegetables I have taken in my healthy salad. So let's go down to the vegetable section. So here for my salad we have taken some zucchini. We have removed its cover, some lettuce, a tomato, a cucumber, a capsicum, and some broccoli. You can also add the vegetables you like along with these vegetables. Today I have these vegetables I have taken. Otherwise you can also add carrot, boiled carrot you can also add. So now let's chop them, because chopping is another important part, and chopping also depends on the taste. The better you chop and the better you slice them, the better it will be the taste. now the mixture which we have prepared, which I showed you in the last clip. Now we will add all our vegetables in it, and now we will, that's how we will prepare the marinade. Otherwise you can skip the step of preparing the sauce, and you can directly add the vegetables, and then you can add some mustard sauce or chipotle sauce you want. You can add anything. We will add the marinated chicken which we marinated the last night. So we are grilling the chicken so it becomes more healthy. You can fry it also, shallow fry, and we didn't have a grill pan, so we grilled it in a griller which is used to make sandwiches. So that's okay. If you have a grill pan, it's well and fine, you can grill it in that. Or on the other hand, you can also use the griller which we use for sandwich to grill it. So that was our recipe. So grilling, it makes the, means we have to put some first the oil so that the chicken doesn't stick, and then I think so for about means for about 6 to 10 minutes, yeah, for about 6 to 10 minutes you have to leave the chicken like that. So there is a button or there is a signal on the griller which indicates that your chicken is done. So when we are cooking the chicken, it's orange signal, and when we are, means when the chicken is prepared, it's a green signal. So you understand that the chicken is done. And grilling means it makes the chicken healthy, grilling, and so you can use it. And in the, means I showed you in the last step which we had prepared the sauce, you can just skip that step and you can just cut the vegetables and then add some mustard sauce, chipotle sauce. Then there are also olive oil, mayonnaise, you can add another type of mayo. So here we are placing our chicken. Instead of that, you can use a paneer or a potato also. It's totally up to you. And now we will leave the chicken for grilling. So here we have our grilled, spicy and juicy chicken. So now we will take all the vegetables, then add in a bowl. We will take a bowl, means a round bowl we will take. Now then we will add the vegetables in it, and then we will just add the chicken on the top. So that was an easy, simple recipe. If you like this recipe, please support us by commenting and try this recipe and comment down how it proved to be. And thanks for watching. Bye bye.
Ooh.